Well, food is all about comfort, and with comfort, it's always important to get some recipes which are basic, easy, quick, and absolutely simple. With this kind of comfort, it's also important to get in the convenience of premixes which are travel friendly. Today's recipe is a Kadhi Premix. Let's begin. While traveling, actually, most mothers are conscious about what they want to feed their family while traveling, and when you can actually rustle up premixes in your home kitchen and take them along with you, all you need to do is take that premix, add in a couple of ingredients, move into your kitchen pantry, which is available in most hotels across the globe, and rustle up a quick recipe so that your family needs are actually in your control. First things first, we light the flame and start in with ghee. Let's begin with fenugreek seeds. To this, let's add in mustard. Once the mustard seeds begin to crackle, time to add in cumin seeds. Asafoetida, hing, red chilies, bay leaves cut into pieces, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, crushed dhania seeds, chopped coriander leaves, and some kasuri methi. You need to cook this till the coriander leaves kind of start curling and the green chilies start crisping. Time to add in besan or gram flour. Very important to sieve this so that there are no lumps in the premix. To this now, turmeric powder, red chili powder for that wonderful rogan while cooking it later, and salt. We start stirring this gently and cooking this till the rawness of the gram flour is taken care of. The roasting, of course, can happen on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes, and once that's done, of course, the flame. Now, the whole idea and purpose of this is that this is a premix that is great to travel. So obviously, now the point is we need to cool this down completely to room temperature, and after which you can make like a master premix and take that with you. Or at this stage, you can divide it into smaller packets, smaller portions, depending on your family size, and you can travel with that. I will also show you going forward how you can use the remaining premix and make a couple of more recipes. But for now, we cool this down completely, and then we add in curd, water, boil this and make a quick kadhi. Let's do that. First things first, curd in a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add in the premix like so. Start mixing this well. Now the whole idea is to again make this mixture lump free. Let's slowly start adding in the water to adjust the consistency. Now because there's also red chili in this premix, you'll see that while cooking, that along with the ghee will start rising to the top. And you'll also have this wonderful rogan that naturally of course comes in from the premix. So you do not need to give any alternate additional tadkas as such. Now the ratio that I generally follow to build up this Punjabi Kadhi whenever I travel is 3 tablespoons of the premix, 1 cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt or curd, whatever's available there, and 4 cups of water. Now the whole idea is to ensure this becomes lump free because a lot of gram flour would already be coated on top of the fresh ingredients or the premix. Break in as much as possible, but the rest you can leave to the boiling process. Let's now start boiling. Once all of this is mixed together, you start roll boiling this, you start cooking this. This will also start reducing. Your 4 cups of water will come down to 3 cups eventually while cooking. At that stage, you can check for salt. If you need some more salt, you can add some more. For me, this is just about perfect, but salt is completely subjective. Little more is your choice. This as a premix is perfect. You can adjust it later. Also, I know for a fact that some people like a couple of grains of sugar in their kadhi. And this is not a regional bias or anything. Kadhi with a little sugar goes a long way. You can add sugar as per your discretion. Little more, personal choice. Perfect. Well, just about perfect when it comes to the flavor profile. The curry leaf, the chili, the coriander, it's all just about perfect in this recipe. Again, the souring really depends on the kind of yogurt or curd that you use or that's available. Use a yogurt that's not sweet. It doesn't have the sweet overtones. It has to be perfectly sour, and that's the magic and that's the beauty of building up this kadhi using a premix. With this, of course, the flame, And this is not just perfectly cooked, but also has the perfect desired thickness of that of a Punjabi Kadhi. Let's now serve this. So on this note, ladies and gentlemen, you can now start planning your vacations and stop thinking what's for lunches and what's for dinners, because now you have a premix that can immediately rustle up the most wonderful, authentic, home-style kadhi, Punjabi kadhi at home. And while now you have this premix ready, let me take this opportunity to show you a couple of more recipes in the episodes coming forward in how to make recipes using this premix. This is me, Varun, and I'm there, signing off. Bye for now.